if x square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 whole multiplied by whole x plus 3 for all x, then find the value of k. How are you going to solve it? Before getting into the solution, we should try to understand the concept behind the question and a conceptual walkthrough about how we can achieve the result. In this case, if you look, we have LHS, which is equal to x square plus kx plus 6, and on RHS we have x plus 2 into x plus 3, and this LHS is equal to RHS, that is given. Now, if we simplify this RHS and bring it in the form of LHS, that is x square plus kx plus 6, and then if we compare these two, we can easily find the value of k. This is the basic concept behind which we are going to solve this question. So let's start simplifying the RHS, which is x plus 2 into x plus 3. There is no identity that fits into this, so we can multiply it directly. This is equal to x into x plus 3 plus, we pick up the second term from the first expression, that is 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Open the brackets by multiplying x into the inner terms, so we get here x square, that is x into x, and then this x will be multiplied to 3, so we get plus 3x. Same way here we have plus 2 multiplied to x, we get plus 2x, and then this plus 2 gets multiplied to plus 3, so we get plus 2 into 3, 6. This is equal to x square. Here plus 3x plus 2x are similar terms, so we add 3 plus 2, getting 5x, plus we already have 6. This cannot be simplified any further. Now what was the LHS? This is equal to x square plus kx plus 6. Make a comparison of these two because these two are equal. We have x square, same. We have plus 6, same. But here we have plus 5x and plus kx. Since both the expressions are equal, it means that kx is equal to 5x. X and x cancels out and we get k is equal to 5. Or even by looking here, you can see that x and x are present in both. So this 5 is nothing but k. And that is our answer. So see how easy and simple it is. Just start doing it and you will get the answer. Believe me, study more, not anymore.